Welcome to my channel PCB Ready. Here in this video I am going to give you a bench power supply which can give up to 1 ampere power with 10.8 volt regulator power supply. It is easy to build. Bench this power supply using very few components. It's very compact and economical to build. A 24 volt DC power supply is available to energize the relay and 10.8 volt DC regulated power supply for the other critical circuits. Bridge rectifier is used for efficiency and to minimize the cost. The circuit schematic bench power supply is given here. 12 volt zener is used to regularize the 10.0 volt power supply design. Going through the part list, you can find out very minimal components are being used in this circuit. The Darlington pair of transistors are used in the regularized supply for the efficiency and to keep constant regulated power supply. Also supported with 12 volt zener diode. A step-down transformer of 20 volt secondary is used for power supply from the mains. The PCB full view is given. You can find out the components layout along with the track. PCB component layout also is separately given to find out easily to locate the place where the components are being placed. PCB copper track view is given in the enlarged version. This can be abridged and can be printed on the copper clad board and can be etched easily. The circuit can be assembled on the design of the PCB. Click like, share with others. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.